Hello and welcome back to 4x4 Insight Garage, where we fuel your four-wheel drive passion. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the 4WD world: catch cans. Are they essential for your vehicle? Let's uncover the truth. If you're as excited about 4WDs as we are, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch cans might not be the first thing you think of for vehicle upgrades, but they play a pivotal role. These handy devices, part of the engine's PCV system, trap excess oil vapors, keeping your engine clean and efficient. This is crucial, especially for 4WDs that brave the rugged outdoors. Why are catch cans so important? Imagine driving your 4WD through a muddy trail without a catch can. Over time, oil vapors can clog your engine like mud in your treads, leading to wear and tear. Catch cans act as a shield, ensuring your engine runs smoothly, just like your adventures. Performance is where catch cans really shine. They ensure a pure air-fuel mix in your engine, giving you that consistent power and efficiency. It's like upgrading your 4WD to breathe better, perform better. Installation is straightforward. And remember, maintenance is key. A regular check and emptying the can will keep it working perfectly. Comparing 4WDs with and without catch cans is eye-opening. Those without catch cans often face increased maintenance costs over time. It's a small investment today for a healthier engine tomorrow. So, there you have it. Catch cans, small devices, big impact. They keep your engine clean and efficient, especially in off-roading. We love hearing from you, so drop your catch can stories or tips in the comments below. Let's keep learning together. Thank you for joining us today at 4x4 Insight Garage. Remember to hit that like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.